Hello, welcome back to another instructional video on how to install Node.js and how to work with it. So in some of my other videos, I use Node.js to do things like pull clips from Twitch for a BRB screen. I also have a Twitch chatbot I wrote in Node.js, and that does certain things like takes in commands from users and then returns certain responses. It does all sorts of stuff. But I just wanted to lay out a video on how to actually install Node.js and how to work with it. So first thing you need to do is you need to go to nodejs.org. And then from there, you can actually install the necessary package. So for most people, you're just going to do whatever the LTS is. So you'd click on that and then install it just like any other program. And then there are certain commands you want to use with Node.js. So what Node.js really is it's a framework that Google developed to allow people to write JavaScript scripts and run them so you can host your own local web server, meaning you can host a website on your actual machine. You can run just a basic JavaScript file on your machine. And that's what I'm doing in a lot of these different videos is I'm just using Node.js as the framework to be able to stand up some of these technologies. So I want to give you guys an example of what that might look like. So for me, I need to change directory into the right directory where I have all this stuff housed. And so for me, I keep it in a stream directory, and then I have like a channel websites folder. So if I wanted to, before my stream, start up my web server that runs a little website that, like I said, goes and pulls Twitch clips, I would give it the HTTP server command. And what that'll do is Node.js will go and look for an HTML file. And I have one sitting right here. This is my site, channel highlight reel. Node.js is going to go look for that, and it's going to stand it up and start it on this local machine. So here you can see that we just started up a web server. It's running on these IP addresses, these port numbers, and all that means is I could go to this web address. $80.80. And then I could go to my channel highlight, which I use in my stream on my BRB screen. And that's all running via Node.js. The other command I want to talk about that's pretty interesting. And let's cd back into the correct folder. Stream, channel, websites is just Node.js. So I can do Node, I believe it's Node.js. Node, sorry. It's just Node. Node Twitch chatbot.js. So what this is going to do is this is actually going to start up my Twitch chatbot. So before I ever start my stream, I always start up my HTTP site, which pulls in the BRB screen clips, and then my Twitch chatbot. And all this is just a JavaScript file, and I'm going to have a follow-on video of how to create a Twitch chatbot and do things with it. But this command right here is actually going to start it up. So now the Twitch chatbot is actually connected. And so as people type things into my chat, my Twitch chatbot will process each of those messages and do something different if it suffices any criteria in the chat message. So that's how to install Node.js, how to work with it. You can check out my other videos to see what I've done with Node.js and what you can do with your own streams. And if you like the video, if you learned anything, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and go check out my stream on Twitch. Should be right somewhere around in there. Twitch.tv/CapZorro. Thanks for watching. All right. Adios.